Welcome everybody to Ostech. Today we'll be looking at graphic design. First of all, let's try to get the applications from Play Store. Whether you're an iPhone user or Android, you can get it there, right? Let me search for my Play Store. There's it. Let's download the BG, the remove BG, right? Okay. Remove BG, share for it, and here is it at the top, right? Now if you want to see the quality of any application that you want to download, right, first of you have to view these images that you see beneath the application, right? The direction, the features of the application. So see, this was the lady. Look at the background, and this one, after you have input it and the application, the background has been removed, and then you can change it, input another background, right? Here's it also. So let's download it or install the app. Yeah, the app is installing, so let's just wait. Okay, now click open. Mind you, when using this application, it needs internet, right? It needs internet. So now upload an image to remove the background. Upload an image to remove the background, right? You click upload. So you for first users, you have to allow the application to have access to your gallery, and then after hitting this upload, and then it will ask you whether to take a camera to take a snapshot, or you can take the photo from your gallery. Let me see. I have a photos from my gallery. Okay, then okay, I want to use this photo. Right, it is uploading. Now this is the original photo. Now the background has been removed. You see, the background has been removed. You can click on this original. Let me see something. Okay, click on this original, right? You see the original photo, and this is the close this cookie. This is the one that the app has removed the background. So now what next to do is to download. Now downloading this image will go without a background. You can import that image in any other application and give it another background, right? So click on download here. Now this image has been downloaded. Now I'm going to your gallery. Okay, now here is this game, remove BG, right? Here is it. It has no background. It's in my gallery. Going back, yeah, going back. So now you have downloaded this file, the image, right? usually always choose this one, this download here, right? Now what next to do, if you want to give it another background, or you want to blur the background that was there, or any other background, you use this one, this edit, right? Choose this edit, click, right? Mind you, this needs internet. Now this was the the previous background. If I want to blur it now, you see the background has been blurred. See this, right? Here is to blur the background. Okay, now if I want to give it another background, let me just click this normal. If I want to give it another background, right, here are the backgrounds. Here are the backgrounds. Let me see, I want to give it this one. Right, now this is the background that I wanted to give this image. So simple. Now what next? To download, if you have choose your design, your background that you want to download it, now you come at the top right hand corner here and then hit the download, hit that arrow button, prepare image. Now what next? Hit the download image, right? Okay, download image, and this is my image. It has been downloaded. See the background, so unique. That's all for today. Yeah, done. You can use this X icons to close this one. If you want to share the image, you can share it. Go back. Okay, so thank you all. That's all for today for Remove BG.